Hey all, I am going to the Jio World Plaza today, and after that we will be going to the Jio World Drive also. So stay tuned with us. Just reached the mall. Stay tuned with me. I'm just going inside, and I will be going to Tira today again. So stay tuned. This mall is my most favorite place to hang around, and today I've decided to bring my friend here. As you already know, she is too shy to come to the camera. So she is there with me. Equally like me, she is also fond of makeup. So we both decided to come to Tira and see what can we buy from here. So I have decided to visit the Laura Mercier counter first. Let's see. So I'm checking out the counter of Laura Mercier now for the roll-on eyeshadows. I am so satisfied with the eye shadow by Laura Mercier that even today I've grabbed one of it. I'm simply very satisfied with their colors. Perfume is one of the most favorite for each and every woman, and even the men also, because we all love to use perfume. And whenever I come to these counters, I simply love the fragrance of it. I was thinking of taking perfume, but I was just waiting for long. So today I have taken one from Burberry. These are the collections that they have got. We'll show you all of it once I reach home. So I got my favorite night repair serum from Estee Lauder, and I'm extremely happy. I've been using it for quite some time, and I'm very satisfied with the quality. I've showed you all the miniatures one in my previous video. This video I've taken the bigger size. So the manager was extremely customer centric, and he helped us and he guided us throughout our shopping. He showed us how to use the screen, and even we can voice over the password, so which we really loved. And even each and every makeup artist who were on the particular counters, they are quite experienced to show you what you should buy, what will go in your skin, and the right perfume for you, and everything. The guidance was superb in the store, and we both were extremely happy with it. Makeup means makeover, so you should know the exact product before buying, whether it will suit you or not, and everything. So you require a proper guidance for it. So the best stores are having the best people to guide us to buy the right product. So, and Tira is one of them. And I simply love this way because a gift has fallen from there, and I simply enjoyed the experience. So this is where you are saying that we can emboss the name of the person whom we are gifting, right?
Yeah, any customer would like to engrave their particular name.
Yes. And we can do like that. Yeah.
The sample.
Oh, that's great. So that means if I'm gifting it to someone, then I can emboss my name. Yes, of course. Yes.
It's a nice
Okay.
feature. It will give you one special touch to the customer.
Sure. Okay, so that's lovely. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes. So after our shopping in Tira, we were very hungry. So to just grab an evening snacks, we had came to Ladori, and it has got the loveliest collection of the macaroons and all the dessert. So, and Ladori looks amazing. The basic theme is a pastel shades everywhere, and their coffee and the snacks are very tasty. So we both enjoyed it, and we have ordered for a coffee and a French toast. So let's see when it comes. So here is my cold coffee with the cream, and we ordered for a French toast, and my friend wanted to have a hot coffee. So we will enjoy our evening snacks. So reach Jio World Drive right now. So come, let's see what we do here. So nothing much I bought from this mall today because already we have completed a lot of shopping in the Jio World Plaza, but enjoyed a lot in the mall. So we'll keep coming here. So after our shopping, we decided to come for our dinner in Gondolas, and this is how the restaurant looks like.
We are in Gondolas right now. It's one of the most famous restaurant in Bandra. It's a small restaurant, cozy one, but one of the best when it comes to the food taste.
I am a foodie, as you all know. So we ordered this fresh lime soda with the starters and the main course. Couldn't shoot the main course because I was very busy in eating at that time. So which happens to me most of the time. And later on, I cry, oh, I have not done the shooting for my main course. So reached home just now. I got all of these. One from Lancome Miracle, one from Burberry, the Laura Mercier roll-on eyeshadow, and the Estee Lauder face serum. So Laura Mercier's roll-on eyeshadows are one of my favorite. This Estee Lauder's night repair serum I've been using from quite some time now, and I'm extremely happy because my skin glows because of this uh, magic product of Estee Lauder. And Miracle is my all-time favorite from Lancome. I've been using this perfume from quite some time, so nothing new about it. Excellent fragrance. Burberry is what I'm using for the first time, but even the fragrance of Burberry is very nice.
Just reached home, had a wonderful time in Geo World Plaza and the Geo World Drive. Though I have not shopped from Geo World Drive, but we just roamed around. I've showed them all to my friend, and it was a very nice experience over there. And that's all. We had a wonderful dinner in Gondolas. When we went there, we just loved the food. So when I shared with all of you what all I've shopped today. So now it's time to say good night. Until next, me Polomi signing off from Welcome to My World. Bye.